DJ Doc Warusi. I'm dancing on my own. Heard you found somebody new tonight, laughing underneath the neon lights. Shadow of your hand where mine should be. Every beat just pulling back at me. Try to play it cool, pretend I'm fine, but your world keeps crashing into mine. Told myself I wouldn't look again. Still I'm standing where it all began. I'm dancing on my own tonight, lost inside the flashing lights. Heart still calling out your name, but you don't feel the same. I spin till the pain feels gone, keep moving till the night moves on. Even if I stand alone, I'll keep dancing on my own. Music loud, but I still hear your voice. Every memory removes my choice. Last reflection show a different me. Someone learning how to finally breathe. You're so close, we're worlds away. Like a song they used to know my name. Crowded room, but I'm invisible. Loving you was irresistible. I'm dancing on my own tonight, trying just to feel alright. Every step a silent plea for who we used to be. I spin till the pain feels gone, keep moving till the night moves on. Even if I stand alone, I'll keep dancing on my own. Lights come up, the moment fades. Goodbyes hiding in the bass. Wanted you to turn around, but my voice don't make a sound, so I leave it on the floor tonight. All the tears I tried to hide, maybe healing starts right here, when I face my biggest fear. Yeah. Saw you smiling where we used to stand, new hands holding what I planned. Heart racing, but I play it calm. Broken rhythm in a crowded song. Late nights, lost pride, no sleep. Promises we couldn't keep. Now I'm rising through the ache inside, turning every scar into my stride. No rewind, no replay scenes, just me chasing better dreams. If love leaves, I still survive. Watch me dance my way alive. I'm dancing on my own tonight, stronger in the fading light. Every tear I let it go, learning how to grow. I spin till the pain feels gone. Now I know where I belong, even standing all alone. I'm still dancing on my own.